So today I'm going to be cutting out this area right here on my carbon fiber hood. I know some of you guys think this isn't carbon, but we just wrapped this so it looks nice, but it is carbon on the bottom. But as you can see on the other side right here, we've already cut this out, and this took a long time, especially if you don't want to ruin the wrap or paint. So let me show you the whole process because it's pretty lengthy. If you guys don't like long videos, you probably don't want to watch this one. Dude, check that out. Nice and perfect. Look at these lines. Crazy, right? Perfect.